We've all got things we push a little too far or put off for a little too long. And fortunately, most of the time, it doesn't come back to bite us. But it can. And when it does, it's so much worse than if we'd just taken care of it in the first place. That's the sort of thing farmers need to worry about. And tractor owners, generally speaking, those workhorses really do need to be taken care of. To prevent major repairs like the ones we're seeing here, what should be done is a full tune-up. A tractor engine is a complex machine, and it's important to keep it in good condition to ensure it runs smoothly and efficiently. We're going to take a look at how exactly a tractor tune-up is performed, and the first thing one would need to do is get those tools together. These can include a socket set, wrenches, pliers, a spark plug socket, and a feeler gauge. And you'd have to make sure you had all the tools you needed laid out before you started, just in case you were suddenly fumbling for something when you really needed it. Then it's all about the inspection, taking a look at the engine for any signs of wear, tear, and of course looking for damage or worn out parts, leaks, and generally anything out of place, making sure to inspect the air filter, fuel filter, and oil filter, and replacing them if needed. And you can't forget, next up would be to remove the spark plugs and replace them. You'd want to use a spark plug socket, check the gap using a feeler gauge, and adjust as needed. Installing new spark plugs and tightening them securely, the option if the old ones need to be replaced. And then on to changing the oil. So you'll need to remove the oil drain plug and allow the old oil to drain into a pan, then replace the drain plug and refill the engine with the recommended oil. Remember, always go with what the manufacturer recommends when it comes to your vehicle. Tractor, car, truck, it doesn't matter. And then don't forget to check the oil level using the dipstick as well. With the oil changed, you're going to locate and then change the fuel filter. You might need pliers to remove it, install it, and ensure it's securely tightened. From there, you're on to checking and adjusting the timing. The engine uses a timing light. Adjust the timing as needed by turning the distributor. Then, remove the air filter and clean it with compressed air by washing it with soap, and water can also work, and allow it to dry completely before reinstalling it. Before you move on to inspecting the belts and hoses for any signs of wear or damage, replace any of them if you notice those signs. With that done, it's ready to roll.